Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind a person in CapCut on PC in 2025. So this effect makes your edits look more professional and creative. So it is perfect for Reels, TikToks and YouTube videos. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open CapCut on your PC. Then you need to simply click on the option of new project in order to come here inside your CapCut account. Over here, you need to upload the clip where you want the effect. So let's say this is the video on which I want the effect. Now, once you are here, you just have to copy this particular video and you need to add it something like this. After that, you need to click on the top layer, then you need to click on the option of text, then select the default text, add the text on top of the first layer, then you just have to double click on it and add the text that you want here. So let's say I gave it this particular text, then you can use the font size in order to make it big, something like this. After that, you can just add any pattern or any type of editing that you like on top of your text. Now, once you are done, simply right click on your text, then select the option of create compound clip. So once this step is done, you just have to simply drag and drop your first clip on top of this particular compounded text, just like so. So it should look something like this. Once it is done, you just have to select the first clip, then go to remove background and select the option of auto removal. So now you can see we have the text behind the person in CapCut. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.